Today, we're getting busy at Black Hammock Bee Farm. Let's go check it out. Meet Beth and Dennis Langlois from Black Hammock Bee Farm, a family business with 500 bee colonies dedicated to saving bees, making honey, and teaching people how to be beekeepers.
We started out with bee removal, and as a result, we bring back so many bees to the farm. We have so many bees, so we produce a lot of honey. So then we have honey customers, and then we needed a store to serve honey customers. So it's all just sort of evolved organically. And so now we have approximately 500 colonies of bees. We produce a ton of honey, and we do classes and tours and all kinds of fun stuff.
A trip to Black Hammock Bee Farm is worth it for the honey tasting. But if you get inspired to take up backyard beekeeping, they have all the equipment you need. And of course, tons of bee souvenirs for your new obsession. Oh my gosh.
Good morning, girls. There's about 50,000 bees in a bee colony.
Oh my gosh, there's so many of them.
So I would say our biggest effort is creating backyard beekeepers. See how that comb is just sitting in there?
Oh, yeah.
So if every home had a hive or two in their backyard, then we can coexist. You see that right there? How they're connected together?
Oh, yeah.
That's called festooning.
Festooning.
So we are the only apiary on site that really helps that backyard beekeeper through the whole process. So we're very passionate about it because the more beekeepers we can have, then the more bees we'll have.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
So we've helped thousands of people become backyard beekeepers. So our Beekeeping 101 class, once you're done with that class, you're ready to become a beekeeper. This is actual honey. So when the nectar comes in, they dehumidify that nectar down to 18% water content. Once it reaches that, then they cap it. So this is honey right there. The more children that we show bees and get them excited and have them step foot on a farm and get their little minds going, then that's the next generation of farmers, and we desperately need that.
Follow Black Hammock Bee Farm on Facebook and Instagram for the latest updates and class schedules.
Tell them our cool phone number.
Oh, and our phone number is 407-365-BEES.